Here are the 5 WhatsApp typing tricks you should know that can make your messages look way cooler. Let's begin. First one, start your line with a greater than symbol to turn it into a quote. This is useful when you want to highlight something or reply to a specific part of a conversation. Next, for italic, simply add an underscore before and after your text. You can use this to give a word, phrase, or even an entire sentence more emphasis. Next, if you want to cross something out, add a tilde symbol before and after your text. This is useful when you want to show that something has been corrected or crossed out. Next, to make your text bold, add an asterisk on both sides of your text. This is perfect when you want something to really stand out in your message. And finally, for a typewriter style font, add a backtick before and after your text. This gives your message a completely different look and is especially useful for things like code or technical terms. And that is how you can make your WhatsApp messages look a little more interesting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.